Launch Winkfp. Click F1, Comfort Mode. Click F3, Update ZUSB, check ECU family list. There is no FRMR3 module, which represents third generation footwell module. To solve this problem, you need manually upload date and files. Open folder in desired link and delete all files in this folder. Then launch Winkfp and let it load up. Click F1, Comfort Mode. Click F3, Update ZUSB. Check ECU family list, it should be empty now. Close Winkfp. Leave this files as it is in folder. Locate SP date and files from selected chassis and paste it in data folder in disk C. Select to replace existing files. Now launch Winkfp and check ECU family list again. Click F1, Comfort Mode. Click F3, Update ZUSB. FRMR3 module for footwell third version is in place.